Hello everyone, welcome to Food Tech Forum. Today we will discuss about methods for detection of food adulteration. So there are three tests we will look out. First one is chemical, second physical, and third is visual test. So first one is for the milk product and powder spices. So first adulterant used is starch. Okay, so how to detect it? There is simple method. First we have to mix the sample in test tube with water and we have to add few drops of iodine solution. So when iodine solution react with starch, it forms the blue color. So blue color indicates the presence of starch. That how we can detect it. So next adulterant is neutralizers like carbonates. So the method to detect it is simply we have to take 5 ml of milk in test tube. Then we have to add 5 ml of alcohol and few drops of rosalic acid solution. After mixing all these things, if there is any rose red color is formed, that means it contains the carbonates. Because pure milk shows only brownish coloration. Next one is for the ghee and butter. So generally margarine and vanaspati is used as an adulterant in ghee and butter. So to detect this, we have to take 1 teaspoon of completely melted sample in test tube. Then we have to add 5 ml of concentrated HCl and we have to shake it for 5 minutes. After shaking, we have to add pinch of sugar or furfural. If there is any pink color in acid layer, that means it contains the vanaspati. Third one is for sweetmeal, ice cream, beverages, pulses and spices. So generally Metanil yellow is used as adulterant in these products. So method is we have to extract the color in lukewarm water from the food sample. That means we have to simply add the food sample into the lukewarm water. So once the color present on the food sample is extracted into the lukewarm water, we have to add the concentrated HCl into that lukewarm water. So if magenta color is appear, that means it contains the metanil yellow. So fourth one is for pulses, where Kesari dal is used as adulterant. It is a simple method. We have to use the dilute hydrochloric acid. We have to put the sample into it. Remember, do not use the concentrated HCl. It is diluted. Then if there is any presence of pink color, that means it contains the Kesari dal. The fifth one is a silver foil. Mostly aluminium foil is used as an adulterant in silver foil. So we have to take the foil into the test tube. Then we have to add 2 drops of concentrated nitric acid. Silver foil will completely dissolve while aluminium foil remains undissolved. That's how we can detect it. So these are the chemical tests. We will see some physical test here. First one is for milk containing water as an adulterant. So there are two methods generally. First one is the glass plate method. Everyone I hope knows about it. We have to take 1 drop of milk onto that glass plate and we have to tilt that plate so it can flow down. While flowing that drop, if there is any presence of white precipitate on the glass plate, that means it is a pure milk. While the milk which contains the water will flow without indicating any presence of white precipitate. So that is the common method everyone knows. Second one is by using the lactometer, where we have to simply measure the specific gravity using lactometer. If the value lies between 1.028 to 1.032, that means it is a pure milk. If the value is getting lower than this, that means it contains the added water. But see, this lactometer test is not foolproof method, because sometimes what they can do, they can add extra starch and urea to make the balance between the water and starch, so that the specific gravity will be adjusted to these values. So it is not a foolproof method. But yes, like we did earlier, we can use chemical taste for to detect the starch and urea. Okay, so second one is for tea leaves which contains the iron fillings. Simply iron fillings will get attracted towards the magnet, so we can simply separate it by passing a magnet over the surface of food. Third one is tea with artificial colors. uh, Here we can put the tea leaves on moistened blotting paper. Artificial dyed tea will impart the color to moistened blotting paper immediately. Okay, so that's how we can detect it. Next one is chicory added in the coffee. So in that case we have to sprinkle the coffee powder on the surface of water in a glass. If coffee floats while chicory starts sinking, leaving the trail of the colors due to a large amount of caramel. Like we see here, chicory contains large amount of caramel, so it will release the color. Okay, and it will sinking down. The fifth one is a honey containing sugar solution. It is a simple method. We have to dip the cotton wick into the pure honey, and then we have to place it over the flame. We will see the pure honey burn smoothly when lighted. If water is present, it will not allow the honey to burn. Even if it does, there will be a crackling sound. So this is the method we can use to detect it. So we will see now some visual taste. Okay, so pulses generally contains the kesari dal. So how we can detect it? Kesari dal is wedge shaped with a slant on one side and square face on the other side. I will show you in that image. You can see the difference between them. First arhar dal, which has somewhat oval shape, right? But you say kesari dal, it is slanted to one side and square like at other side, which is called as the wedge shape. Okay, so that's how we can detect it. Second one is mustard seeds. Argemone seeds are used as adulterants in mustard seeds. That also we can detect visually because argemone seeds have a rough surface with a little tail at one end. You can see in these images, the right one are the argemone seeds which has a rough surface and there is a little tail at the one end, right? But you can see the mustard seed at left side, they have a smooth surface, as well as if you break those seeds, you can see mustard seeds has yellow color inside while the argemone seeds has white color. So that is the difference between them. So next one is black pepper. So papaya seeds generally used as an adulterant in a black pepper. So papaya seeds are comparatively shrunken, oval and greenish brown to brownish black in color. So you can see the difference between them in that images. So that's how we can detect it. So thank you, like and subscribe to the channel. Of course we didn't look out into all the taste yet, so I will cover this in my next video. So like and subscribe to watch it. Thank you.